Iroko is first and foremost affordable in terms of its acquisition cost and through its use. The printer's aluminium frame is light yet robust, which means it can be mounted easily without having to use expensive cranes. It is equipped with a material preparation and feed system which is compatible with Holcim's Tector ink and a wide range of low-carbon inks from 14Trees. Iroko is reliable and intelligent. We have equipped it with a unique multi-laser system that controls the print quality 50 times per second to improve the structural performance of the end product and operator safety. Iroko has a comprehensive climate monitoring system that measures and captures the ambient environment to provide operators with actionable information during printing and detailed data for retrospective analysis, improving your next build. Mobility and optimized assembly are at the core of Iroko's design. It is easily stored and transported in a custom 40-foot container with all the equipment required for its assembly, even in the most remote locations. Our technology is disrupting 3D printing for construction, bringing confidence to contractors ready for a return on investment in the automation space. We look forward to taking our construction automation technology to the next level and supporting our customers to bring their 3D printing projects to life.